Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial 135 tonne 3.2 CNC press brake. This is our Impact series, so it's a mid-range CNC which has a 2-axis controller just over there that operates the Y-axis and the X-axis. So you can punch in an angle, basic CNC programming. So it offers you the programming, the laser guards, great capacity machine at a very good price. So the Impact is our mid-range CNC. Our 135 tonne 3.2, just a general overview, 3.2 bending length, 135 tonne, perfect for 3mm stainless, 6mm mild steel. Comes standard with segmented top gooseneck tooling, and the ends are worn just over there, as you can see, for better bending. It's got a 95-95 bottom V block with a overbending V there as well. The 95 V block sits in a cradle, so you can segment that cradle if need be. Our Impact series CNC press brake comes standard with laser guards. The laser guards are very handy when you're working in close. You've got to bend smaller jobs, so basically that runs up and down with the beam. T-slotted front beams, which obviously you can put on your front sheet supports, and they just basically slide along there wherever you want those. And we'll just run through a basic program now at the moment. So the guys have got that set up for a sequence. So as I said, that's been programmed in for a 2-axis CNC program. The first bend is going to be 90 degrees, and then the back gauge will then position out to X, which is 400, and then it'll cycle again. So it's on at the moment, so we'll just sort of cycle that down. It's running, as you can hear, so it's very, very smooth. So that's going down to bend a 90-degree bend, and then return again. That gauge will position. So it's coming in now, ready for the next bend, which will be a 135 degree. Come down again, and then return, and the back gauge will come into its next position. So running around the machine itself, some of the features. So as I said, the 135 tonne has a very large 420 deep side throat. So if you look through there, 420 deep. You see the back gauge fingers there. So we've got 4 back gauge fingers positioned along the length of that back gauge. They're all fully adjustable. They've also got flip ups on the back gauge. Just over here we've got open height settings. So basically if you're doing large box work, you can open that up so the top beam returns to a large position, or simply close that down so it only strokes a certain amount. Fast and slow approach, you've got full control just over there, running behind the machine. A little toolbox there for your manual, your tools. One of the unique features that Asset Plant and Steelmaster have on their press brakes is the open back system. It just illuminates the whole back of the area, makes it a better operator experience. We've got laser guards there, so basically when I break that guard, it turns the machine off. There's an isolating switch over here. As you can see, inside the back of the press brake, we always have on our Steelmaster press brakes LED illuminated lights. And on this Impact press brake, as I said, we've got back gauge fingers with flip ups, and they've also got fine adjustments. Heavy duty build. As you can see, the big heavy steel fabricated frames. The frames are all the same on our press brakes. Our Absolute, which is our NC, our Impact, which is our CNC, and our Ultimo, which is our servo driven CNC. The frames are the same, the add-ons are different. So call us to run through those. As I said, safety light guards. To reset that, simply press that, bang, she's ready to go again. So anyway, that's our Impact CNC press brake. All the electrical components are all Schneider, Bosch, Siemens, so they're off-the-shelf quality components, as you can see there. The drives, so that's our Impact 135 tonne 3.2 CNC press brake. So jump on assetplant.com.au or pull us up and we'll assist you through your press brake requirements. Thanks and have a great day.